sorry about that. Anyways, I told you that in the month of February, we are going to have hearts everywhere, and we are going to talk about things. Today, we're going to talk about our own hearts. This is kind of a meditative project that I want you to do, and it's called My Heart Today. So, it's a doodle project, but we're going to put it inside of our own heart. So, we all know that all the things that are going on right now, you know, with school, being in school, out of school, people being sick, it's just, you know, kind of a drag for us sometimes. And so we're all under a little bit of stress, and we all have lots of feelings about everything. So, we're gonna get some of that out. So I did a red. I didn't want to do pink again. I'm gonna fold it edge to edge. Once again, we're gonna practice a little bit that cutting out heart thing that we did before. So, and this time, we're just gonna put it plant it as close to the center as possible. And we're gonna leave it just like that. All right, put that aside. And this is where you just get to doodle. I'm gonna show you a bit of what I did. I don't want you to feel like you have to copy this at all, because here's the other thing. I don't often get to use my colored pencils, so I chose to do colored pencils for this project. But if you wanna paint with acrylic, if you wanna paint with watercolor, markers, whatever you like to doodle with, do that. So, the thing you're going to want to do is make sure to color so that the center is definitely closed. Ooh, and I kind of like what's happening here. I'll show you. What I have going on here is I'm picking up the pattern on my cloth, and I like that. So I'm going to keep that. It's really awesome. It adds to my design here. So what I did was I took my colored pencils and just kind of made blobs of color and put them in no specific order whatsoever, and just kept doing it until I basically had my page covered, or at least where I thought the heart was going to cover, which was the thing that was really the most important thing. So I'm going to show you this here in a minute. And then I started putting my doodles on top of this. This is just like my background. But again, if you're painting, you can do however you like. A little more green. Get a little more green in there, just in case it makes it into the heart. It might not. So that's the other thing you need to know. Not everything's going to make it into your heart. So if you have a color or something that you really, really want to make it into your heart, make sure you start in the center. So look at that. Isn't that a cool design? That's just with my tablecloth. You could do that with lots of things. So then I just started using my marker to doodle on it. I did emojis. I did dancing people. You can see together, alone, because I like to dance. And sometimes if I'm sad, I also like to dance or sing. And so that's kind of, I just wanted to show all the different varieties of how I'm feeling. You see, sometimes I feel like crying. Sometimes I'm sad. Sometimes I'm a little confused. You see my little confused face there. And sometimes I'm just silly. That's mostly the truth. So I put that in the center. So, I don't know. Today I'm feeling pretty good. So I'm going to draw a big head and laughing in my center. And I'm not going to finish this here, but I just wanted you to see kind of what I was doing. And then I drew little hearts around So I'll put that back in too. But again, this is not a finished one. And I hope that you take your time and doodle away. So that's what I have. Okay. All right. So then we're going to take that heart and lay it right on there. So it's going to end up a little bit like that. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and glue stick this down, but that's what I did to have this covered because I'm going to finish this one. But you'll see on this one, I put my heart today, and then I decorated the outside too. So you guys, I hope that you are taking care of yourself and giving yourself some space to get calm and just check in with yourself. Doodling is a way to help me do that. I hope it helps you as well. All right. You know, parents, you actually could do this too. This would probably be fun for you to sit down and color with them. So, again, hope you guys do a very meditative doodling and hope to see you in the library.